Hi friends, in 2021 I released Woke the Movie, where I asked viewers how deep they were willing to go down the dark rabbit hole of internet conspiracies. And one of the prominent themes we dive into is how the world's banking, political, and entertainment elites follow a certain religion in the shadows. A religion that is very different than what many of us grew up with. In 2015, a high-level insider in the Dutch financial industry blew the whistle on what he claimed to be dark occult practices in the highest levels of the financial world.
I was often put in the leading role because I kept a good overview of the situation. I played at the highest level for about 5 years. To put it carefully, most of these people followed a not very mainstream religion. These people, most of them, were Lucifarians. And then you can say, religion is a fairy tale, God doesn't exist, none of that is real. Well, for these people, it is truth and reality. And they served something immaterial, what they called Lucifer.
Sir, it's him.
In this religion, which has been practiced in the shadows, has in the last few decades emerged in the public sphere in a series of cryptic symbols and themes flowing through the popular culture.
This always gives me the creeps, sir.
He's the president of Hollywood. He's supposed to give you the creeps.
Greetings, your tinseliness, imperious leader of Hollywood.
And there might not be any realm of mass-consumed culture that is more satanic than the pop music industry. Hank Harrison, the father of Whole Front woman Courtney Love, has stated matter-of-factly that the heads of MTV were conducting satanic rituals and required the same of those who aspired to be featured on the channel.
Was Courtney, do you know of, ever involved in the occult or witchcraft or anything like that?
Absolutely, man. No kidding. Especially when she was with MTV. People at MTV were totally into satanic cults. The kind of stuff where they were having meetings and wearing red masks and sacrificing people and stuff.
Get the hell out of here, at MTV.
The musicians that were going through MTV couldn't get on MTV unless they were vetted by these people.
Really?
And they had definite proclivities to not let anybody in there unless they were able to manipulate them through these various cult practices.
But even the largest names in pop music are not shy about their dark occult leanings. Powerhouse Lady Gaga has been accused of doing occult rituals in her hotel room when the London Intercontinental Hotel accused the singer of leaving, quote, large amounts of blood in the bathtub, which housekeepers claimed she was bathing in.
If you don't get this right now, I swear to Lucifer, I'm gonna...
But sure, a few celebs are into the occult. No big deal, right? Well, what if nearly every famous face you know was indoctrinated into this dark world? In 2016, the Museum of Contemporary Art in Los Angeles hosted a strictly black-tie gala for the who's who in Hollywood. While a quick peruse of the MoCA website describes nothing other than an innocent art event, images leaked online revealed something truly macabre. Prices ranging from about $25,000 to $100,000 gets you a table at this weird party, where human beings are seen as nothing but meat to be consumed. A high priestess is carried in as a dead body, arises, and carries out a mock sacrifice on this red velvet cake made to look like a nude woman, her flesh consumed by some of the biggest names in Hollywood. The belle of this ball is a performance artist named Marina Abramovic. Not only is she the darling of celebrities and satanic trendies everywhere, she's most well known on the internet for a practice called spirit cooking, a ritual that you can see her performing here that includes pig's blood, human menstrual blood, breast milk, and semen.
Here's her with Lady Gaga at a spirit dinner. As you can see, someone laying in what is breast milk, sperm, piss, urine, and then them eating it all together.
But okay, so what? What does any of this mean? What does it even mean to worship Satan these days anyway?
I went to places called Churches of Satan. They were doing their holy mass with naked women and liquor and stuff. And it just amused me. I didn't make the connection yet. The Lucifarians, the Satanists, whatever you wish to call it, it is a real entity. There really has been a moment of separation from the manifestation of light, in which a group went their own way and are carrying an intense hatred, anger. This is an all-annihilating force that hates our guts. It hates creation. It hates life. And it will do anything to destroy us completely. And the way to do that is to divide humanity. Divide and conquer is their truth.
Please subscribe if you wish to continue this journey, or better yet, watch Woke the Movie, out now. God bless.